Once upon a time, in the heart of the enchanting Whispering Woods, there lived a lively community of animals. Among them were a wise old owl named Oliver, a mischievous squirrel named Sammy, and a gentle rabbit named Rosie. One sunny morning, the animals gathered near the crystal-clear pond for their daily meeting. Oliver, perched on a sturdy branch, began, "My dear friends, I've heard whispers among the trees that a magical treasure has been hidden somewhere in our woods. It is said to bring joy and prosperity to whoever discovers it." The news sparked excitement among the animals. Sammy, always eager for adventure, suggested they embark on a journey together to find the mysterious treasure. Rosie, though initially hesitant, agreed with a shy smile, sensing the unity among the animals could make the quest special. The trio set out, navigating through tall grasses and meandering streams. Along the way, they encountered challenges that required teamwork and clever solutions. Sammy's nimble antics, Rosie's ability to calm anxious critters, and Oliver's wise guidance led them deeper into the woods. As they journeyed, the animals discovered that the real treasure wasn't a physical object, but the bond they formed and the lessons they learned. They encountered a troubled tortoise, struggling to cross a rugged path. Together they assisted the tortoise, realizing the importance of compassion and lending a helping paw. They also faced a tricky puzzle of intertwining vines, which required Sammy's agility and Oliver's intellect. This challenge taught them the value of combining their strengths and using their unique abilities for the greater good. Finally, after overcoming various obstacles and learning valuable lessons, the trio reached a clearing bathed in golden sunlight. There in the center, a vibrant field of wildflowers awaited them. The magical treasure was revealed, the beauty of their shared journey and the friendships forged along the way. As the animals celebrated, they understood that the real magic lay not in material riches, but in the love, trust, and camaraderie they had cultivated. The Whispering Woods echoed with their laughter, and the bond among the animals became the most treasured legacy of all, making their home a truly enchanting place for generations to come. And so, in the heart of the woods, the tale of the magical treasure became a timeless story passed down from one generation of animals to the next.